I'm going to steal the truck from the butter factory. Har 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 har. Wow. That truck is so hectic. I will get it before they see us.
I'm going to deliver the butter we made last night. Dang it. Where is the butter truck? I bet it was Dora. That's it. I'm calling the police.
Wow. Driving in a truck is so much fun. I'm only 5 years old. Yay. Uh-oh. It's the cops. I have to go fast before it's too late. Finally. I made it.
Get in the police car, young lady. You're going to jail. This is your cell. You are staying there for 2 decades. You have some visitors.
Dora. How dare you steal a truck from the butter factory? That is so totally freezing it. You are grounded for 20 mil decades. See you when you get out of prison. Dora.